Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put a GIF on Instagram comments. We start by opening Instagram and going to the post to comment. After that, click on the comments icon. Then we can write a text comment. To add a GIF, click on the lower sticker-shaped icon, and within the GIF category we can search and click on the one we want to send it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We will see our GIF sent as a comment on Instagram. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.